Hello everyone, I am Vaishnavi and I am representing the topic operations on lathe machine. The basic operations which we are going to discuss are facing, drilling, boring, reaming, turning, chamfering, knurling, growing, threading. First operation that is done on workpiece is facing. It produces flat surface at the end of workpiece. In this, tool is feeded perpendicular to axis of rotation of a chuck. Next operation is very well known operation that is drilling operation. It is a process of making holes on workpiece. The drill is fed slowly into the workpiece which is revolving in a chuck. Drill is held stationary in the tailstock spindle. The next the next operation after drilling is boring operation. It is process of enlarging the previously drilled hole with the aid of single point cutting tool. In simple words, it is removing of material from the workpiece. Here you can see the single point cutting tool which is enlarging the previously drilled hole. The next operation is reaming. It is it is operation of finishing and seizing hole which has been previously drilled or bored. Reamer is held on tailstock spindle. Reaming is done only after drilling. The difference between drilling, boring, and reaming is drilling is making hole, boring is enlarging that hole, and reaming is finishing that hole. In this process, cutting tool move against a rotating workpiece to removal of material. It is a material removal process which is used to create rotational parts by cutting away unwanted material. The next process is chamfering. It is process which removes excess material that remains on the metal part after manufacturing. After that, knurling. Knurling is a process of making indentation of various forms on cylindrical surface. Knurling tool is pressed against a job to perform the knurling operation. It provides a better grip to job. It is done by knurling tool. Next is growing. Growing, the process of forming narrow cavity of a certain depth on cylinder, cone or face of the part. The function of groove is usually to allow room for a fitting part as a rubber. And the last operation is threading. It is process of making threads on cylindrical job is called threading. It produces helical ridge on uniform section of workpiece. Thank you.